Instagram ad payment method not working. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first head over to your Instagram, then to your profile, and then in the menu bar. Here you have to tap on orders and payment. Then go to other payment methods and simply tap on add payment. If it does not work, what you have to do is select other payment methods or try on adding method like your credit card or debit card. If the problem still does not go away, this might be because your app is loaded a lot. To offload your app, head over to your settings and go to apps. Then find your Instagram application and then on its storage section tap on clear cache. Sometimes the problem could be from the server, so if that is the problem, you can't do anything but wait and it will fix on its own. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.